I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying the Jagananna tab so installation is smooth. First, check the Android version and network. Wi-Fi or active SIM matters for downloads. Next, charge above 50% to avoid interruptions, then connect to the internet. Once done, sign into Google Play with your existing account or create one now so you can access apps. This step sets up permissions and sync settings. Make sure location and security prompts are accepted, so the Play Store will let you download YouTube. You now install and configure YouTube so it runs well on the tab. Open Google Play, type YouTube in the search bar, and tap Install. Wait until the progress bar finishes. When you launch the app, accept camera, microphone, and storage permissions only if you plan to upload or download videos, otherwise grant minimal permissions. Sign in with your Google account to sync subscriptions and history. Once signed in, go to Settings to choose Streaming Quality and enable offline downloads if storage and policy allow. You finish by verifying playback and resolving common issues so YouTube works reliably. Play several sample videos to check audio, subtitles, and resolution. Adjust playback quality in the player menu if buffering occurs. If the app freezes, go to Settings Apps YouTube and clear cache, or update the app in Play Store. If access is restricted by device admin or regional policy, contact Jagananna support or reset network settings. Doing that often clears policy blocks and restores normal access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.